This is an ancient secret hidden for a very long time that makes them to look younger, that makes their skin look flawless, that makes their skin to look spotless and brighter always. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're so welcome. So I'm going to share you a perfect secret to firm your skin to look younger and beautiful. Not only to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, to also moisturize your skin, to also get rid of dry old skin, like dry flaky skin. The result is amazing. Just continue watching. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips on this channel, as you can see, so you just have your time to go through them. You will never regret it. So I made this of some kitchen ingredients which you can find in the kitchen. One of them is cornstarch. Make sure you subscribe, like this video and share this video. Let's go. I made this of other ingredients as well, which I'll be listing one after the other. Using cornstarch or corn flour will help greatly to firm your skin, to tighten loose skin. Those that have loose skin, wrinkles, if you notice that wrinkles is starting to appear on your area around your face, any part of your skin, you're started to have loose skin, you have to use cornstarch to firm up, to tighten, so that your skin will not look older than your age. Cornstarch is not only to do that, cornstarch also helps to absorb so much greasiness. Those that have imbalanced skin, like your skin is always oily, it will help to balance it and make it normal. Another thing I love about cornstarch is that it keeps the skin very smooth and very looking flawless. So the next ingredient I added is honey. I love honey a lot. Like, I don't joke with honey. Honey glows the skin, honey hydrates the skin. Honey is a powerful humectant, like helping to make sure your skin is looking moisturized, supple, glowing and beautiful. So using honey in your treatment, you will never regret it in one day. So I added turmeric as well. Turmeric brightens the skin. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps to keep your skin ageless, flawless, spotless. It removes dark spots. For those that have dark spots, you can apply turmeric masks or adding it into your facial treatment to get rid of them, to make your skin revive and to look very beautiful, flawless. You know that wonderful flawless look. That is what turmeric will give you. Another thing I love about turmeric is not only the honey. Turmeric glows the skin, like you will love your skin looking flawless, beautiful and glowing. So the next ingredient I added is sugar. You can make use of brown or white sugar. So I always suggest for sensitive skin person, if you have sensitive skin, use brown sugar for the facial skin instead of white sugar, because brown sugar is more gentle for the facial skin. But if you don't have sensitive skin, you can apply any one, okay? White sugar or brown sugar is all good. Sugar is a powerful ingredient, very powerful exfoliant that gets rid of dead skin cells, renew your skin, keeping your skin looking brighter, flawless, fresh and beautiful. Sugar is also packed with alpha-hydroxyl acid, a very powerful one that keeps your skin hydrated. Like if you apply sugar on your face, make a mask with it, apply on your face, you will notice a tighter look, a tightening effect, and when you wash it out, you see that your skin will look glowing and well hydrated. And that is because of that alpha-hydroxyl in sugar naturally found in it. So just get these ingredients I just mentioned and mix them the way I'll be listing for you. So there's one ingredient that is not here right now, glycerin, which I added. So adding glycerin will help to increase moisture, like for those that have super dry skin. If you have dry skin, excessive dry skin, flaky dry skin, if you look at them, that dry skin is forming wrinkles, is dividing and becoming flaky and dry. Dry skin can lead to wrinkles, and you have to take care of your skin so that it will not be worse. If you have dry skin, you have to try to moisturize your skin all the time, and adding glycerin will help greatly to make sure your skin is renewed and well hydrated all times. So get glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can add any good oils like rosehip oil, but just try to get glycerin, okay? So after getting all these 5 ingredients, I'll be telling you the measurements, how to mix, so that you can get it rightly and make it work better. Remember that using fake products, like products that are expired, will not give you good result. Know that all these are foods. They are foods and they have expiring dates, so make sure you get the one that is still potent, and so that it can give you good results. I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I added half teaspoon of turmeric. Adding turmeric in it will brighten your skin, like I said earlier, for those that have dull skin. So for the glycerin, which is not here, I added few drops of glycerin. Is in my cabinet, so I don't have it right here, but I'll be displaying it on the screen later. Glycerin, just few drops of it, about 4 to 5 drops or half teaspoon is all good. So you have to mix these ingredients together, mix and mix until it's uniform. There are no lumps. You have to remove all makeups, all dust from your face by washing your face using a gentle cleanser, to open up the pores, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well, of course, and work better. So I'm going to apply this treatment on my bare face, no makeup, purely natural, like this is my natural skin. Okay, so that I will show you how it's properly done, how to apply properly for best results. So we have very good skincare products. If you want to purchase, even if you apply these treatments, you have to use a good moisturizer. You need to use a very good moisturizer on your face, of course, so that your face will not be dried out, and so that you obtain a very well uniform skin. So if you want your skincare products to work better, use these treatments like this one, so that you take care of the foundation first, soften your skin, get rid of dead skin cells, so that your skincare products will have a place to penetrate and work well. So go on and apply all over your body. This treatment is actually small. The measurement is for the face and neck, so you can just increase the quantity by doubling them. Apply all over your body so that you have a uniform, beautiful skin, no dead skin cells, so that your skincare products will just penetrate and work better. So after applying this treatment on your skin, you have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes to have time to penetrate, so that you get perfect results. So go on and try yours, okay? And I'll leave it on for 15-20 minutes. I'll be right back after washing it out. So after washing it out, you will need to apply a light moisturizer. So either you apply Vaseline, which will not clog your pores, just lightly, or you apply rosehip oil, vitamin E oil, argan oil, or sunflower oil. These are very good light oils that can work better to penetrate without clogging your pores, and also moisturizing, hydrating your skin, and also helping to firm and tighten your skin pores. So go on and make use of this treatment 3 times or twice weekly for best results. So this treatment will help to brighten your skin, like I said earlier, get rid of dry flaky skin by hydrating your skin, moisturize your skin very well. Try to get glycerin. Okay, let me get it. So this is glycerin, okay? So it's in my cabinet. I did not bring it earlier. So glycerin is a very good way to moisturize your skin for those that have a very dry skin. So if you notice that your skin is looking so dry all the time, even after applying skincare products, you have to exfoliate. After exfoliating, use a very good mask, like facial masks. Check through my videos, you will see some very good nourishing masks, both the one that contains oat powder, okay? They help greatly to make the face supple, soften, give you a very plump look, a smooth look. So just add glycerin, okay, into any of the treatments, and your skin will love it. Or you can just make use of this particular one. This treatment is like 3 in 1. It helps to get rid of dull skin, moisturizes, and remove wrinkles. Go on and get these ingredients, okay, mix together, follow the instructions to get perfect results. Your skin will glow and look so revived and uniform. So go on and apply this treatment, rinse it out at the right time, use it 3 times weekly or twice weekly for best results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video and like this video. I will see you in my next video.